time to get your hair students tooled up. Habia have put together some official kits. These are designed around the latest educational standards using carefully selected brands such as Jaguar and STR so that you know these items will last. Prices are unbelievable with up to £45 saving for each student. Why are Habia kits the best? Simply put, it's the quality. Our kits contain only the best products. All items carry a 12-month guarantee. These products last. Chances are that with kits from other suppliers you will be replacing some items after the first term. Not with Habia. Our kits are built for the job. What kits are available? You can mix and match items to fulfill your needs or create a completely bespoke kit. But to help out, we have created some kits that we think will suit most students. All kits come with a handy bag to keep it all together, and yes, unlike others, Habia had the foresight to measure that this bag fits inside students' lockers. The student kit contains a variety of brushes, combs, clips, water spray, shoulder cape, gloves, training head, much more. Pretty much everything a student needs, and it even includes 1 year free Habia membership. Items of this quality altogether would cost in excess of £120 no matter how hard you shopped around. Habia price to you is just £90. Call us for larger orders and this price can get even lower per student. The Elite Student Kit. Loads of different brushes, including 3 different sized heat retainer brushes, a tint apron, tint brush, shoulder cape, roller pins, gloves, thinning scissors, clips, peroxide measure, scissors, a range of Jaguar combs, cutting collar, streaker strips, STR zip scissor wallet, so much more, and all for just £111. The Professional Kit. It has everything from the Elite Kit, plus even more, including a favourite of the pros, the Jaguar ST300 Straightener, and STR's 2400 Lightweight Dryer, with 3 temperature and 2 speed settings. These items together can easily add up to well over £180 for any supplier, but the Habia price is just £135 per student. These kits are available individually to students, but for college and training providers wanting to buy multiple kits, we can offer even more. For starters, we can lower the price. We can give you an extra bit of support in tailoring the kit to your learner requirements. We will get the kits delivered to you free of charge. We can print your college logo on the kit bag, a nice bit of advertising as learners are sat on a bus. And we'll even promote your college or training provider further by featuring you on our social media channels. What's more, for a limited time, we will give you a completely free CPD course to help further your career. Sound good? The best bet is to speak to our team to discuss your requirements. Either message us on Facebook now at facebook.com/Habia UK or call us on 0845 6 123 555. Alternatively, visit habia.org/kits for more details. Habia make it easy to order. We will take orders over the phone to make life easy for you, mixing and matching items to make your perfect kit. What's more, if you need to collect funds from a lot of students, we can help by setting up a private page for your college so that students can purchase individually at the discounted price. New kits for the new standards, created by the people who set the standards. Habia Kits. Share this video on your college social media pages and see what your students think.